Our school is the Columbia University Teachers College Reading and Writing Project School.
We deliver the workshop model in English and Japanese. In this video, you will learn how we make connections across these languages.
It all starts with collaborative planning. Strategies, skills, concepts, and teaching methods delivered in our English classroom are used and applied in our Japanese classroom. We become familiar with the workshop routines. This makes our learning efficient and we become self-directed.
In our readers workshop, we often talk about just right books, about books that are at our level and that are both interesting and fun for us to read. And it got me thinking about writers workshop.
ホームルームのライターズワークショップでどんなことを勉強しているのかちょっと考えて。
Can you and your partner remember what they are? Turn and talk.
ちょっとパートナーとお話ししてください。
If you're thinking about, say, audience, in the English classroom, we also investigate that same concept in our Japanese classroom.
Who are you writing for? And how might that change your content?
そう、読み手は誰ですか？
I'd like you to think, who might the audience be and what makes you say that?
お父さんに東京インターナショナルスクールのこと書くときお父さんどんなこと知りたいかな
So turn and talk to the person next to you.
パートナーと話し合ってください。
There is always active engagement.
The link encourages us to apply and transfer our learning.
読み手は誰か他にどんな作家の技が使えるか考えて書いてみる
Think about using some of our different sentence structures. And some of you might want to be thinking, who's my book written for? Who's my audience?
はいどうぞ
During independent time, our teacher pulls students for individual or small group conferences. This ensures that we are all working on our own personal targets.
So what's your goal for today? What would you like to do to improve your writing?
The mid-lesson teaching point is an additional opportunity for a Japanese teacher to help us make connections to our home and learning, and vice versa.
双子の分使いたいなって思って頑張って
Okay, so whose friend had a really good way of changing what they wrote to meet the needs of their audience?
どっから来るおすすめのお寿司はおあり
My audience is the weakest body part.